So one of the most common questions lagi would be about the microphone. Itong issue about grabbing the capsule, di ba? Marami kayong makukuha ang sagot sa net, marami nagbibigay ng kanya-kanyang opinion, but basically it just falls down to two things. Una, nakaka-apekto siya ng tunog nyo. Pangalawa, it would actually increase the possibility of feedback. So you should tell the artist or kayo rin mismo, you should grab it by the body and keep this part, yung capsule, open. Kasi the microphone does pick up sound here, pero importante rin sa kanila yung likod ng capsule. That gives it the polar pattern. Just like this microphone, cardioid ang pick up pattern, so it picks up sound here, pero importante rin yung sa likod ng capsule. And that helps in making the polar pattern effective. Kung yung capsule hinawakan ng ganito, automatically yung polar pattern niya magiging omnidirectional na. Problema doon, it will be susceptible to feedback. Kunyari for your monitors na dyan sa harapan nyo. And we're not just gonna talk about it. Paparinig natin sa inyo kung ano nangyari. So ito tayo ngayon, ipapakarinig natin sa inyo naman how cupping the capsule affects the sound. So with this microphone. Check 2, 1, 2. Check 2, 1, 2. Check 2, 1, 2. Check 2, 1, 2. So, dun marinig nyo, nag-emphasize masyado yung mids and it becomes telephonic, di ba? And sometimes that's not ideal. Showing naman the effect of cupping the capsule and changing yung polar pattern. So, katulad nitong microphone ngayon, ano to, cardioid pickup to. So, may rejection sa likod kaya hindi nag-feedback. Pero once we do that, nagiging omnidirectional yung microphone, kaya magiging susceptible siya sa feedback. So, katulad ng ganito. Isa nga pa pala, syempre, sinasabi ng iba, ating mga rappers, yung mga performers natin that raps, di ba? Now, I could imagine, cupping the mic itself is part ng kanilang forma, nung, yung attitude na yon. At the same time, malay na rin natin, yung tunog mismo na yun, yung habol naman nila. So that's a totally understandable thing. And for that, there's also other solutions for that we'll tackle with another video. So I hope na ibahagi namin yung mga tamang information sa inyo. And do wait for the next videos. See you in the next.